Hey guys, it's Jesse from Jesse's Garage and Adventures, and in today's video we're going to be going over these McTuning K8 pod lights. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing. I'll show you everything that's in the packaging. I'll do an install. Probably not going to record a lot of that, but then we'll show you the lights themselves. As you can see, the package took a little bit of damage while shipping, but everything in here is fine. So opening everything up, we've got a couple set of smoked lenses, and then we've got amber lenses. We've got our two actual lights right here, which they look pretty good. I like the way they look. They've got a nice halo around here. We'll show you that when they're installed on the truck. You've got a wiring harness, which comes with a switch and fuses and nice waterproof Deutsch connectors. Some mounting hardware. The mounts themselves are on the side right here. These look nice. They're nicely coated. So then we've got the lights here. They do have an amber and a white halo, so you can wire them up to be turn signals, or you could just have the ambers running. I'm probably just going to wire up the ambers all the time. I'll get a close-up on the lights, and then we'll go out and install them. Just wanted to get a nice close-up for you guys. Take a look at it. They've got some LEDs on the side down there, as well as the ones within the lenses. So it should have some side light, as well as forward-facing light. So these are your blackout lenses. These are for like if some places require lights to be covered while not in use. And then this is your amber option. I do like the ambers, but I will probably run these white. Alright guys, so I've done a little bit of testing with this stock wiring harness. And I don't necessarily want to drill a hole in my dash and mount this switch. So what I'm going to end up doing is I have a switch panel already installed in the truck. So what I have determined is that this right here is the actual wire to turn the lights on, this blue one. As you can see, it's in the center of the switch normally. So I'm going to wire this light right here directly to the switch panel, and then we're going to power and ground it obviously, and then that should allow me to use the switch panel to turn the lights on, and then I'll just probably plug or tape these wires up, that way they don't ever short out on anything. This white wire right here is always on, and then this black wire is the ground for the light in the switch. It's a pretty simple circuit, but I just don't want to have to drill a hole and mount the switch anywhere. Alright guys, excuse my messy workbench here. I just have this wired up to this little battery here, and I wanted to show you guys the really cool like hello or wake up feature for this light. So as soon as you turn them on, so that's the amber, and then this one's the white. It does the same thing. They're honestly pretty cool. I like it. Once the white DRLs are on, it will switch colors. So you could totally wire this up to be a white DRL and then have these flash as your turn signals. And then I'll show you guys the light while it's working on the bench here. Let me find the switch. So this is the lights themselves. They're pretty bright. So let's go ahead and get these wired up on the truck, and I'm going to probably wire in the ambers. So here you can see both of the lights. We got one here and then one over there on the corresponding side. I teed both of the amber DRLs together, and I only hooked up the ambers just because everything else in my truck is amber, so I wanted them to match. And we'll go ahead and show you what they look like in the daylight, and then we'll jump over here in a minute to nighttime and show the actual light performance. So I wired them to where they kick on as soon as you turn the key on. So as you can see, the ambers, and everything else on my truck is amber, but you can see the ambers light up. I still got to aim these things, so we'll jump over to nighttime, and once it's nighttime, we'll show you these a little better. So I was just turning the key on for a few seconds and then off, just to show you guys the cycle that it does run every time you turn them on. Alright guys, it took a little bit longer than I expected to finish this video up. I had to travel for work, but here we are. So this is nighttime, turning the lights on, letting them scroll through all the hello functions. We're going to get another angle of this, and then we're going to go actually show the light output. And I'm only realizing while editing that I didn't leave the key on long enough for them to finish, but you guys understand what they finish as. Alright guys, this is the light. So what I've done with these is I've kind of pointed them out to the sides, as you can see. The headlights are obviously not on, but I want these to be more of like ditch lights. So now we're going to go ahead and turn the lights on and off a few times, and then turn the headlights on so that you can compare them. So right now it's just the fog lights. Now it's the headlights, and then that's the fog lights with them. For my setup, I think they work great as ditch lights because they'll allow me to see deers and other animal coming up on the road, but tell me what you guys think in the comments. So now we're going to show what they look like lit up from the front, and then I'm going to go ahead and click through all the other lights on my truck just to kind of give you guys an example of what I'm working with. I think the whole system really complements each other very well, so that we've got some lights facing kind of the side. I've got very bright forward facing lights, and then some intermediary lights. I really do like the K8 pod lights as well as the K6s. The lights in the center are a light from PovTor, and I do like them a lot, but they're big and expensive, so not everybody can fit lights like that, or nor wants lights like that on the front of their truck. Well, alright guys, that concludes my overview of the McTuning K8 pod lights. If you like this, please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment your thoughts below, and let me know what you think. Like, honestly, I do like the lights, but they may not be everybody's cup of tea, and I really do like the Hello feature or the wake up feature of these halos.